Your natal moon sign, identifying your emotional makeup through your natal moon zodiac sign. Brought to you by Learning to Be Yourself, working with the cycles of the year to unlock your full potential. Moon in Sagittarius. The moon in Sagittarius indicates a strong need for freedom and forward motion, both physically and intellectually. Your moods and emotions are positive and enthusiastic. However, you can be blunt and frank in your expression. You have high goals that may lack a sense of reality. You're moody, even unpredictable in your desires. One part of your behavior relies on a constant stream of a moral code that guides your decisions, and the other part of you that does whatever it wants without any concern for others. When these two parts do not join together, you scatter your energies and accomplish little. You seem to not worry too much about details. You are instinctively drawn to distant places and enjoy foreign foods. You have a need to be challenged through risks. When presented with one, you rise to the occasion. You search for truth. You can have a strong attachment or response to the religion or philosophy taught to you by your parents in your early childhood. The moon in Sagittarius' best trait is your adventurous nature, and your worst trait is your restlessness. Your emotional responses are optimistic and idealistic. You protect yourself by knowing truth and having faith in higher matters. These are the characteristics of the moon in Sagittarius. For insight into the sun in Sagittarius, please visit Learning to Be Yourself Natal Sun Sign Series. Natal Moon Sign Series, identifying your emotional makeup through your natal moon zodiac sign. Please like and subscribe so that you can be updated with new videos and more people can find this information. God bless you. Natal Moon Sign Series, identifying your emotional makeup through your natal moon zodiac sign. Please like and subscribe so that you can be updated with new videos and more people can find this information. God bless you.